Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here. Well, it's a beautiful sunny day today. Temperature's hovering just below freezing, and so thought I'd take a hike out into the woods. So why don't you come along? Well, we're at the location of my small trail camera, and right in front of the camera are some squirrel footprints there. And then these larger ones look like a raccoon again. So hopefully that trail camera captured something. We'll see when we get home. Nope, there's the shelter. Looking great. Squirrel footprints here. But it doesn't look like there's anything else around it. Squirrel footprints over by that tree. Let's take a closer look. No, nothing here at all. There's the squirrel footprints there. Go to the other side. No, it doesn't seem to be anything here. Oh, wait a second, way over there. Some disturbed snow over there. I'm going to take a peek. More squirrel here, and something else there. Looks like a small dog. Right there, you can see the pads. It's over in that direction. I don't think it's a fox because the pads are really visible. Like you can see the X in the footprint. A fox has really furry feet, and it kind of blurs out the. I thought I heard something. Kind of blurs out the imprint. But whatever it wasn't very heavy, because it didn't leave a deep imprint. It's just funny having just the idea of a small dog being way out here. And it's not a cat because, well, the pads are too big, for one, and the second thing is that you can see the claw marks. Let's go check out that disturbed snow that I was mentioning. it looks like is this squirrel jumped out of this tree and landed right there and kind of walked around. Okay, let's get back to the shelter. Pretty covered in snow from this angle. I'll have to knock the snow off of the tarp on that side. Today I didn't bring a shovel. I'm not carrying my normal backpack. I'm carrying a rucksack that I just bought yesterday. It's custom made from a friend of mine here in New Brunswick. I mentioned that I didn't bring my shovel, and so I had to use the next best thing, which is a snowshoe. It works. Okay, so this is the Haversack, and it comes equipped with a bush pad. Just going to put the bush pad out so I can have a seat. This bush pad that I'm sitting on has a waterproof canvas on the outside, and on the inside it's got this nice camo pattern. Now between those two layers is one of these emergency blankets, so it keeps you nice and warm and dry. Now this is the Haversack. It's got straps here on the front, so I could put something in here, like, I don't know, a sweater or other piece of clothing that I'm not currently wearing. And there's lots of room inside. I gotta say, I really like the camo pattern. Anyway, let's make some hot chocolate. I put my stove inside the Ziploc bag so that it wouldn't get soot and ashes inside the Haversack. Today we're using this wood gas stove. It doesn't use gas like butane or propane or anything like that. It uses the gas is given off by the heated wood. So it just burns twigs. You can see the jets of gas coming out of the holes in the side. Pretty cool. Carnation Instant Hot Chocolate. Okay, now it's boiling really hard. Well, I want to thank you all for joining me today. This was just a gorgeous day. Slight breeze, temperatures just below freezing, but sunny, very, very sunny. Not a cloud in the sky. So, till next time, this is Muskrat Jim, signing out. For more muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click the bell to receive notifications of newly uploaded videos on this channel.